Jai Shri Ram. What is the difference between the modern meaning of history and itihasa, which is Ramayana and Mahabharata? You see, every Hindu has a problem defending his religion because these left lely, these bloody nuts, they will try to ask you uncomfortable questions as to how can it be that Bhima had strength of 1,000, and this is all mythology, so it is unreal, and so don't mix up history with. And a staunch Hindu is likely to say, no, 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 this is itihasa, which means this is how it happened, and therefore this is our history. And in saying so, actually, he is on a weak wicket. He is not, because he cannot, and he cannot prove it. And it sounds rather unscientific too. So, what should, as a Hindu, you should do? So, let's do some due diligence, thorough research, comprehensive research. See, we must first understand what was the whole idea of itihasa. To put it in a nutshell, bottom line up front. You see, the modern version of history is simply recording when somebody was born, what battle he fought, where he won, and what he did. Now, this activity is purely academic, and it does not have any useful contribution to society other than you passing a test in history, mechanically producing, vomiting all the statistics. But Indian rishis, see, the Hindu culture is fundamentally spiritual, deeply philosophical, because we were concerned, as then and even now, about the more deeper questions of life. What exactly is the purpose of life? Why are we here? And who sent us here? Who the hell are we? Ontology. See, history is an ontic study. Ontic means about facts which can be proved. Ontology is the study of the nature of being. If you say I, who is that I? Eh? The nature of being. So it's not the body. Your body is your body, but who are you really? So Ramana Maharshi also Ramana Maharshi basically says, if you know who you are, then you will understand everything. So Hindu culture is fundamentally philosophical, deeply spiritual, metaphysical. So we were not concerned about petty, transient things of history, which are merely, mugging up data about who was born when and when he died and how many battles he fought and won. And they won't tell you what kind of destruction and nonsense. For example, Alexander was a bloody thug. I don't want to use any expletives, but he was a bisexual. That's his problem. And he died of 4 causes: alcoholism, mortal wounds, and he contracted Nile fever, and his stupid doctors did bloodletting.